Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you the inside scoop on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Ninja BlendBOSS, a personal smoothie blender that promises to make your blending experience easier, quicker, and more convenient. If you're a fan of fresh smoothies, protein shakes, or crushed ice drinks, this might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. The Ninja BlendBOSS is a compact, high-powered personal blender designed for convenience and performance. It features a 1200 peak watt motor that's capable of crushing ice into snow and blending even the toughest ingredients with ease. Its most notable feature is the 26 travel tumbler, which comes with a leak-proof flip cap, making it ideal for on-the-go use. Whether you're headed to the gym, work, or just running errands, the tumbler's integrated Chug spout ensures you can drink directly from it without any spills. And when locked in place, the flip cap guarantees that you won't have to worry about any mess in your bag. What really stands out about the BlendBOSS is its size. The compact base fits comfortably in your kitchen without taking up valuable space, and it's cup holder friendly, so you can take it with you in your car without a problem. The motor base, while powerful, is small enough to not feel like it's crowding your countertop. The stainless steel blade assembly is engineered for versatility, making it perfect not just for smoothies, but for soups, dips, and even purees. On top of the impressive motor, the BlendBOSS boasts 3 AutoIQ preset programs: Smoothie, Ice Crush, and Blend. These intelligent programs take the guesswork out of blending by combining pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns to create the perfect consistency every time. This level of automation is great for those who want a hands-off blending experience without constantly monitoring the process. When it comes to practical use, setting up the BlendBOSS couldn't be simpler. It's easy to assemble, with parts that snap into place without any hassle. I decided to put the blender through a variety of real-world tests, and it passed with flying colors. First, I tried making a classic smoothie: frozen berries, banana, and spinach. With the Smoothie AutoIQ program, it blended everything to a velvety consistency in under a minute. No chunks, no clumps. The Ice Crush program worked just as well for a frozen margarita, crushed ice with no effort at all. And for those times when you need to prep a quick soup, the blender did an excellent job of pureeing vegetables into a smooth, creamy texture. One thing I really appreciate is how quiet the BlendBOSS is compared to other high-powered blenders. It doesn't have that ear-piercing whine you sometimes get from other machines, which is a big plus if you're using it early in the morning or late at night. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, this blender is incredibly powerful for its size, and the AutoIQ presets make it super easy to use without much thought. The 1200 watt motor delivers enough force to handle frozen fruits, veggies, and even ice with ease. The leak-proof lid is another big win. If you're a busy person who's always on the go, the convenience of not worrying about leaks is huge. I also love how compact the unit is. It's perfect for smaller kitchens or those who want to save space without sacrificing performance. The blade assembly is sharp and effective, making it versatile enough for smoothies, dips, and more. On the downside, there are a couple of things to consider. First, the 26 tumbler is a bit small for those who like to make larger batches of smoothies or other drinks. If you're blending for more than one person, you might find yourself having to refill the tumbler. While the compact design is great for portability, it also means there's a limit to how much you can blend at once. Another minor issue is that the tumbler and blade assembly are dishwasher safe, but the motor base requires a more hands-on cleaning approach, which can be a little annoying for those who want a completely low-maintenance blender. Value for money is where things get interesting. At its price point, the Ninja BlendBOSS is a solid buy for anyone looking for a high-powered, compact blender that's easy to use and clean. For those who don't need a massive blender, this is a great option that won't take up too much counter space, but still packs a punch. In comparison to other high-wattage personal blenders like the NutriBullet or the Magic Bullet, the BlendBOSS offers a lot of power, a solid design, and some extra features like the AutoIQ programs, which set it apart from the competition. While you can find personal blenders for cheaper, they often don't have the same level of performance or versatility. When compared to other similar blenders, the BlendBOSS stands out for its leak-proof tumbler and integrated spout, which make it perfect for on-the-go use. The AutoIQ functionality is a key differentiator, as it simplifies the blending process, taking away the need for constant manual input. While the NutriBullet may offer a similar power output, the BlendBOSS is more versatile, especially with its ability to handle not just smoothies but dips and soups as well. As far as build quality and longevity go, the Ninja brand has a solid reputation for creating durable kitchen appliances, and the BlendBOSS is no exception. The materials feel sturdy, and the construction is well thought out, with a modern aesthetic that's both functional and appealing. The motor base, while compact, feels solid, and the tumbler and lid assembly are designed to withstand daily use. As for longevity, it's hard to speak to that definitively just yet, as it's still relatively new on the market, but based on Ninja's track record, I'd expect this product to hold up well with proper care. Customer service with Ninja has generally received positive feedback. Though I haven't had personal interactions with them for this specific product, Ninja is known for responsive support and helpfulness. Their online resources are also pretty solid, providing quick access to troubleshooting tips and product information, which is always a plus. In conclusion, the Ninja BlendBOSS offers excellent value for anyone in need of a personal blender that's powerful, easy to use, and portable. With its 1200-watt motor, AutoIQ programs, and leak-proof tumbler, it checks a lot of boxes for convenience, performance, and versatility. While the size might be a limitation for some, if you're looking for a compact blender that delivers on its promises, the BlendBOSS should be on your radar. It may not be the best option for large families or those who blend in bulk, but for singles, couples, or small households, it's a great fit. Thanks for watching! If you've enjoyed this review or have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. If you already own the Ninja BlendBOSS, we'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest reviews. Goodbye till next time. Keep blending with Reviewsinside TV.